In this video, I'm going to show you 7 ways that you can make money online with graphic design. Now, these methods are going to range between $35 per day and $3,000 per day, so make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who's helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, I want to show you a bunch of different ways that you can make money with graphic design. Now, believe it or not, everybody needs graphic design at some point in their life, and so it can be a really powerful opportunity to make money. So let's go ahead and get right into it. The first way that you can make money, and probably the least profitable way, is creating gigs on Fiverr. Now, before you click off, we're going to talk about some other ways that are going to be much more profitable, but let's go ahead and take a look. What you can do here is come up to graphics and design, and you can create gigs or services in different areas. Now, what I would recommend that you do when you're first getting started, I would first create a gig, for example, like poster design. And then I would come up to where it says custom offers. I would go and I would actually apply for the custom offers. When you apply to the custom offers, it actually increases your chances of buying. So let me show you an example. I'm just going to type in WordPress, which we'll talk about in just a minute. With WordPress, there are over 100,000 services available. But when I switch to selling, well, that's not what I want to do. When I switch back to buying, I actually put in a request for someone to work on a WordPress website for me. And when I did that, there were only 50 people that applied to that request. So I'm just going to click on Manage Requests. And if I come down here, if it's still up, you can see there were only 50 people that actually asked to help. So you can see here, WordPress developer, 50 offers, versus if I come back over to Fiverr and I just type in WordPress, there are hundreds of thousands of people that are able and willing and ready to build a WordPress website. So if you are just getting started with Fiverr or any freelancing site, I would look for custom offers because that's going to be your best chance. But if we go back over here, the main topic of this video is all of the different opportunities for graphic design. You can do everything from menus and send it to your audience. You can do landing page design, logo design, all sorts of stuff, and you can make anywhere starting at $5 to hundreds of dollars per day simply with Fiverr. But in my opinion, this is the least profitable way. The second way, and much more profitable, I think, is simply creating a course. If you know anything about graphic design, if you've gone to school for graphic design, I recommend that you create a course on an aspect of graphic design. You can talk about GIMP, you can talk about Photoshop. And if we take a look at this top result here, it has over 24,000 reviews. But if we take a look at the number of total students, and we could just do some quick math here, there are over 93,000 students that have taken this course, and most of the courses are sold for $9.99. So if we just did some quick math, we do 93,000 and we multiply that by $9.99, you can see that is $929,000. But you have to split some of the sales with Udemy. Even if that's half, so we could just divide this by 2, you're still looking at about $464,000 just by creating this course. Now, what I recommend that you do is, if you know about different types of software used for graphic design, I'd create all sorts of courses. The cool thing with creating a course is once you create it once and it's up there on Udemy, it's up there forever. You can do the same thing with Affinity Photo, just like this. Or Affinity Designer, I saw that one pop up, but you can create content here showing people how to do stuff. One cool way to get a lot of people interested in your Udemy course is to create a YouTube channel and push people towards it. You could also sell courses on your own, so you could use something like Teachable or Thinkific and sell your own courses. But what I recommend that you do, if you're going to go this route, actually start a project and teach people skills based on the project. So you could teach them how to create a logo using an iPad, and make sure that you are going from nothing to something that's going to keep people engaged, and that's going to help you actually get a higher ranking. But one real cool way is to simply create courses. Now, again, you can do this in a few different ways. You can use something like Udemy or Skillshare or any other online course out there, or you can actually sell it yourself. You could sell it yourself, again, with Thinkific. You could use something like ClickFunnels. There's just a number of ways that you can do it. If you sell it yourself, you can charge more and you can actually make more money because you're not splitting the profits or the revenue with Udemy. So think about that if you are interested in starting a course. After starting a course, we have starting a YouTube channel. Now, YouTube channels are really profitable for a number of reasons. There are multiple revenue streams that can come from just a YouTube channel. For example, if we look at this top channel here, they have over 736,000 subscribers. They can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. They can make money by selling a course. They can make money with affiliate marketing, so being an affiliate for Adobe Creative Cloud. They can make money by having merch right on their YouTube shelf. But what I want to show you, I'm going to show you this channel right here. It only has 32,000 subscribers. This video from 10 months ago has 720,000 views. They're teaching different aspects of Photoshop. And if we take a look at their social blade here, it says they're making $1,000 per month. I would actually venture to guess they're probably making closer to $2,000 or $3,000 per month, just showing people how to get up and running. Now, the cool thing with YouTube videos is they're passive. You create the video once and they're up on your channel forever, and they can potentially bring you traffic. Now, to get started, you just want to type in your keyword or keyword phrase. So we type in Photoshop, you can hit the space bar and you can say Photoshop tutorial for beginners, just like this, or you can say something like how to underscore in Photoshop. That's Photoshop, just like this. And you can see people are asking different questions. How to, and if we go through each letter of the alphabet, how to quickly remove background in Photoshop. You have a ton of different opportunities to create content. So how to edit text in Photoshop. We could even hit the spacebar again, and you can see there are even more questions that people are asking. How to edit text in Photoshop after saving. You create content here, you start building a dedicated following, and you could potentially make money. As you can see here, there are lots of opportunities to make money simply with your YouTube channel. Another way that you can make money is by starting a blog. Now, what I've done is I've hopped on over to Ahrefs. It's a keyword research tool that I use to help me find keywords. And you can see there are 982,000 searches per month. There are over 332,000 keywords for the word GIMP. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to take a look, photo editing with GIMP. So we're going to copy this. We're going to paste this in right into our Google here. And what we're looking for is we're looking for small and medium websites that are actually showing you how to do it. So you could use a website like Make Use Of. What we want to do is we want to take a look at a web page or a website that's on the third or fourth page. Let's see, Quora, OfficeDocs.com. Fix the photo. That's one that we could be potentially interested in. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to copy this just like that. And we're going to jump back over to Ahrefs, and we're going to just take a look at all of the keywords that that website ranks for. So we paste that in, fixthephoto.com, hit enter, and now we can see how much money they're making per month, and we can also see what keywords that they rank for, and we could potentially start a blog based on those same keywords. But you can do this with Affinity Photo, Affinity Designer. You can do this with just about anything. But if we take a look here, you can see, I'm actually really surprised that they have over 1.1 million keywords. They are making over $855,000 with their website, and it's actually just based on HTML. If you look at this, this is not some fancy dancy website, but what we could do is go back over here, and now we can see which keywords that they rank for, and we could potentially create better content and rank. So we're just going to change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less, like this, hit enter, and just like this, we get an idea of the different keywords that we could go after as a small blog or website and potentially create content showing people how to do different things in graphic design. Now, what you can do is actually pair the YouTube channel and the blog together, and that'll actually help you grow much faster. Another thing that you can do is actually run Facebook ads based on different client needs. Now, businesses, as I showed you, need all sorts of stuff. What you could do is you could run Facebook ads or even YouTube or Instagram or Pinterest, whatever ads that you want to run on these different opportunities. So, for example, businesses might need a print guy or a print girl, and you could run ads targeting small and medium-sized businesses and tell them that you're willing to help them with their print needs, whether it's a signage, a menu, a flyer, whatever it may be. and you can make money by having a client. Now, what you can do is you can have them sign a contract where they'll pay you $500 per month to come up with any of their print needs. You start accumulating these types of clients and you can make money. You can do this for your local business. So you could actually target people within your 50-mile radius and then go in person and say, hey, look, did you see my Facebook ad that I wanted to work with you and help develop your printing needs? And you can actually make money that way. So I like working with Facebook ads for a variety of reasons. You can target at a very granular level. For example, if you wanted to only target stay-at-home moms that had 13-year-old kids, you could target them and actually market digital planners because you know that target audience is really busy with all of the different maybe tutoring and athletic events and after school activities. Maybe they need a planner to be organized, and you can actually target them with that. After Facebook ads, we actually have building out WordPress themes. Now, you may think that building out a WordPress theme is really technical. For the most part, it isn't. It's all based on design. You can actually grab the core of the WordPress theme from all over the internet. Most of the websites are built exactly the same. What makes the difference between a good WordPress theme and a bad WordPress theme is the look of it, the look and feel. And as a graphic designer, you could actually work with someone that's interested in programming and build out different WordPress themes. Now, the cool thing with this is you can make money two ways. You can make money as an affiliate marketer, or you can make money by building out these simple different graphics. Look at this. So we go over to, this is ThemeForest. We typed in graphics. You can actually sell your graphics as a one-off. Look at this. Someone like myself might want different graphics for a presentation or just images that I want in my YouTube videos or on my blog posts. There are all sorts of ways that you can make money as a graphic designer. So we just clicked on, I clicked on graphics here, and it took us over to Fiverr.net, and you can see there are all sorts of graphics that you can actually purchase and make money. You could do text, you can do vector images, logos, all sorts of stuff, and make money that way. I didn't even realize this was an opportunity. I just thought of it, but you can see there's an opportunity to make money there as well. Another way that you can make money is by selling digital planners, checklists, calendars, and so on. You can actually use the help of a website like Canva to help you do that. But if we hop on over to Etsy.com, just like this, and we type in like a checklist printable, or we could type in, let's type in checklist like this. All right, checklist template, just like that. Hit enter, and you're going to see there are all sorts of stuff that are popping up. You can create a checklist for different side hustles. For example, this one is for Airbnb. You can create fillable checklists, editable checklists. This is a blank checklist that is going for $1.57. People are buying this up, and you could potentially make money. If we look back here, there was a checklist for kids that caught my eye, checklist for kids. You can actually sell this to parents that want to help keep their kids organized. And you can see there's opportunity to make money as a graphic designer. There's all sorts of opportunities out here. You can even do the same thing with a calendar. So if we type in calendar, just like that, you can see there are physical calendars, there's digital printable calendars. If we just do calendar, hit the space bar, printable, you can see there's a lot of opportunity. And you don't just have to use Etsy, but you can see this is where a lot of the opportunity is. After printables, calendars, checklists, I talked about WordPress, and we're going to go back over to Fiverr one more time, and we're going to talk about NFTs. Now, NFTs are the hot topic, and there's two ways to make money with NFTs. One way is to actually create a gig over on Fiverr. There's actually lots of gigs over on Fiverr right now for NFTs. With this one, you can make $1,500. A better way, in my opinion, is to teach people how to make NFTs. So we do how to make NFT. As you can see here, this is getting thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views, 3 million views, teaching people how to make an NFT. The one below it, 762,000 views on how to create an NFT, and everybody is cashing in. It's almost like that old adage, people that go to a gold rush, they don't make the money. The people that make the money are the people selling the shovels. But you can see there are tons of opportunities. And again, one way is to actually create NFTs and sell them on OpenSea, or you can actually show people how to make and sell them yourself. So now that you know, I think it's 10 ways now to make money with graphic design, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.